Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Puan Nur Farizah binti Abdullah. My name is Muhammad Muhammad KHOIRUDDIN. My metric number is 10DE90F1008. I am from Group 6. Today I and my group will present about the plastic crusher for lab 6. The question is, plastic bottle create a damaging effect to the environment. All water resources are collected with bottle, and it also affect life and quality of marine life. Referring to a book statement and pictures, you are assigned to create a plastic bottle crushing machine that will cut the bottle into very small pieces that will be used to recycling for purpose. You should come up with a control system where the should run as a fully automation system. The system should come complete with PLC program as well. Okay.
Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Puan Nur Farizah binti Abdullah. My name is Muhammad FAIZ bin MOHAMMAD. Today I want to present about JSA Lab 6 Automatic Plastic Bottle Crushing Machine. Okay. This is a table of input and output. On the left side is the device, on the right side is the data. First device is S1, which is switch 1. The data is 0001. Second is S2, which is reset button. The data is 0002. Third is IR1, which is garbage impression sensor. The data is 500. And fourth is IR2, which is plastic bottle impact sensor. The data is 501. And the fifth is L1, which is the garbage impression sensor. The data is 1001. The sixth is L2, which is the plastic bottle isolation motor. The data is 1002. And next is L3, which is plastic bottle crusher. The data is 1003. Lastly, L4, which is conveyor to send trash to a recycling center. The data is 1004. That's all. Thank you.
As you will, I will talk about the ladder diagram for that my group and I have done. Well, like we can see, we have a S1 and S2. S1 is a switch and S2 is a reset button. For the sensor, we have IR1 and IR2, and motor we have 4 different motor that have a different function. For the first one, the IR we detect that we put at the IR1, we detect the plastic bottle that floating on the water, and it will link to the IR1 and will turn on the section motor. That this motor will start all the uh, all the object that floating under on the water in the area that he suck in, and then the sensor IR2 will on automatic on. The IR2 will detect the plastic bottle, only plastic bottle. That's why we put the isolation motor. When he detect the non-object that different from the bottle, he will isolate the object and only giving access to the only bottle to go into the blender motor. Next, the blender motor will on after the isolation complete. The blender motor will automatically blender all the plastic bottle into a pieces, and then the pieces will go into the conveyor motor. The conveyor uh, will take all the pieces of the kata plastic bottle into the into the into together together into the recycle bin of the plastic bottle that have been crushed. And then we have at the end. That is for the ladder diagram. For the, let's see about the plastic, about the plastic crusher from me. And next, the presentation will give to KHIZAM that will present about the mnemonic code. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and very good morning to you. My name is Muhammad KHIZAM bin Muhammad KHALID. Matrix number 10DEE 19F1020. I'm from group 6 in PLC lab. Today I will present about GSA lab 6 about automatic plastic bottle crushing machine as a mnemonic code. Firstly, for address 0000, instruction is load 0001, and then or 500, and then and not 0002, and then out 500. The output is as a garbage impression sensor, and then load 500, out 1001. The output of 1001 is as a garbage suction pump. And then load 1001, and then out 501. This is as a plastic bottle impact sensor. And then load 501, and then out 1002 as a plastic bottle isolation motor. And then load 1002, and then out 1003 as a plastic bottle crusher. And then load 1003, and then out 1004 as a conveyor to send the plastic bottle crush to a recycling center, and then function as 001. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Seberang bin ABDULLAH. My matrix number is 10DEE19F1011. Today I'll be presenting about Lab 6 bottle crushing machine timing diagram. For this timing diagram, the input will be S1, S2, while for the output will be IR1, L1, IR2, L2, L3, L4. For the operation will be start at the S1. When the S1 push button is on, the IR1 of the sensor plastic will detect the plastic at the river, causing the suction motor L1 to be activated at the same time with the sensor plastic. Then after that, the IR1 will activate it also, so to isolate the plastic with non-plastic. Then the blender motor will be on when the isolation motor start to isolate the plastic with non-plastic. And once the blender motor is on, the conveyor motor will also on afterward. Will on the conveyor motor. The circuit of this operation will be stopped after when the S2 is on. That's all for me. Thank you very much.